This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Light up a mixture like this. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something completely different. Start by taking a small bowl. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large piece and wrap the entire bowl in foil, inside and out. Then pour in about 3 heaping tablespoons of coffee, preferably ground, and mix it. Now take some rosemary sprigs and cut them into smaller pieces. Do this directly into the bowl. Cover the rosemary again with coffee, just enough to partially bury it. Now grab a lighter and gently light the rosemary. Let the smoke rise from the burning rosemary, and the coffee should start to smolder slightly. The light smoke that appears is an incredibly effective repellent for mosquitoes and other insects. It acts as a natural deterrent. Wherever you place a bowl like this, you can be 100% sure that no mosquito will come near. Sprinkle cinnamon on a paper towel. You should definitely try this. The benefits will be unlike anything you've experienced before. Here's how it works. Tear off a piece of paper towel and sprinkle a tablespoon of cinnamon on it. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial properties, repels pests, and gives off a pleasant, warm scent. The next ingredient is a bay leaf. Just one is enough. Bay leaves have antifungal properties, improve air quality, and effectively repel pests. Crush the leaf onto the paper. This natural method was taught to me by my aunt from the countryside. Roll the paper up just like in the video. This form is perfect for further use. Now add a little bit of toothpaste. The toothpaste has a refreshing effect, and its scent also repels pests. Place the rolled up paper in a jar or another container, light the end of it, and after a moment, extinguish the flame. Place the container near a window, door, or next to plants that are vulnerable to pests. The smoke from the mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other unwanted insects, while leaving a lovely, fresh scent in the house. This is a completely natural, safe, and highly effective method. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1 1/4 cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free. Don't throw away your egg carton. Thanks to it, you won't see mosquitoes anymore. I'll show you how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive products. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into small pieces. It's a brilliant way to use an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut the whole thing at once. You can always cut more pieces later. Now take an empty soda can, cut off the bottom like in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off part of the can, make holes with a nail. A few holes are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut out a small window. Make 3 perpendicular cuts. You can do this easily again with the utility knife. Now put the can back together. Place it on a table. Put the egg carton pieces inside. Light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard repels mosquitoes. This mini stove is easy to make and works great. Mosquitoes won't come near. They can't stand this kind of smoke. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. He pours coffee into plastic bottle caps. The result is genius. First, gather a few plastic bottle caps. They can be different types. Also, prepare some ground coffee. Pour a bit of coffee into each cap. Then grab a roll of toilet paper. Tear off a piece of paper. Roll it up tightly. And cut it into smaller pieces with scissors. Place one piece in the center of each cap filled with coffee. Now take a lighter or igniter and light the paper pieces you placed in the caps. The coffee will start to smolder and release smoke. This is a simple homemade method. It's not only effective but also safe for your health. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. It effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. Instead of buying expensive products, you can make your own repellent in just a few minutes. Always keep an eye on the burning paper and coffee. If needed, you can easily extinguish the fire with water. It's a brilliant solution for summer evenings. Be sure to try this trick and enjoy a peaceful time without annoying bugs. Hang that bag on a branch right away. This method is pure gold for any garden. I couldn't believe it when I first tried it. It works amazingly well. The first thing you need is a resealable plastic bag, preferably a larger one. Now it's time to make the mixture. In a glass container, measure out about half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar has a strong scent that works perfectly here. Add a bit of cold water to dilute it slightly. Next, add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. It makes a huge difference. Then add 2 sticks of cinnamon bark. It has natural antiseptic properties that enhance the effect. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a few pieces, and fold them into small squares. This step is more important than it seems. Seal the bag tightly, then use a toothpick to poke a few small holes at the top. This allows the scent to slowly escape. Use clips to hang the bag from a tree or bush, anywhere you often see insects. This mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs naturally and effectively. It's a cheap and chemical-free way to keep unwanted pests away.